So you are gonna be the cameraman today. So I'm not gonna do vlogging today. You're gonna shoot me.
Okay.
All right. Well, it's day 5, so you said that, and it's raining. You know, it's been raining the whole day, and now we are leaving Margaret River. We're going to Albany. So let's go. I'm serious, right? Now you scared?
No.
No? Okay, man. I'm just gonna climb that tree. This tree. Oh, the way up by himself. Are you alright?
Yeah, man. I'm alright. See where I came up.
Unfortunate. Look at me. I'm wearing the wrong shoe. It's so slippery. And it's raining today, so it's not right for climbing. But safety is more important than fun.
Yep.
Probably come back another time. You're fine. We did well. That's well. Since we cannot climb the giant tree just now, we decided to climb the giant trees.
What? I thought walk.
We're gonna walk. Yes, we're gonna walk on the giant trees. So we are done for the day. We are going down to Albany before the sky turns dark. So let's go. How can you sleep when Auntie Baby is on the wheel? I will never sleep, man. She takes the car.
My driving.
What's wrong with your driving? You drive like a F1 driver, man. But except right, the speed is like 60 km/h. That's why. You know what's the painful thing on the road trip? Is unpacking, unloading, everything. All over again, every day.
Your daycare's in the...
Man, living out of the suitcase is tough, man. But there's something new I want to show you. Come here. Elkin, this is it. Oh, our fun for tonight.
Oh my god.
Can you fit in?
Yes.
Come. Now you dive in.
Wait, into the imaginary water. Ooh.
You know what? I just want to tell you, tonight you are sleeping here.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Good night, Elkin. Good night. You're sleeping here.
Now we're gonna do the laundry.
It's pouring, dear.
Okay, it's pouring. Never mind. Let's go. Okay, I know Ava's gonna put the detergent inside now.
这里有 detergent 的哦，是不是不要放了？对不对？
I don't know what.
I don't know.
So put inside or don't put.
I think I use this one.
Okay.
Can you help me open this?
No. I'm video taking, you know? little bit.
You know, daddy's pocket got anything, I don't care.
Maybe there's like what, $1 million check inside.
Yeah, let me wash all his money inside. Oh no, the house is so empty. Where is everyone? I hear noises. Something strange is going on. Anybody home? Let's see.
Hey! Come and join us! Come and join us! Why no? Come and join us! Oh man, it's raining today. Doesn't look really good. But we found a way to entertain ourselves. I brought a projector. And Elkin is actually watching Matrix 1, 2, and now 3.
Today is day 6 and we are 50% of our travel. 6 more days. Vroom, vroom.
It's so cold and raining. We walked so far just for this view. Look at that.
快点去，快点去。
So do you think we should go down now?
Yes, we should.
But it's raining every time I go down.
Just go.
Arr.
Just go before it rains.
Again. This is so cute.
Auntie Baby, this is you.
I will buy.
Hi.
What's that?
One bed.
Oh my god, it's huge.
Hi.
Oi!
Hi.